Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. This is Angie here from the Philippines, and what we're going to do today is we're going to do some test shots with the Bolex D8L. Alright, let's get started. Alright, action. Okay, say hindi.
Hindi.
Just like you're getting killed. Scream it. Scream hindi.
Hindi.
Okay, going up, going up. Okay, look at the camera. Okay, test shot number one. Okay, everyone. So what we did today is some test shots with some neighbors of ours, and for my first experimental horror film here in the Philippine Islands, and we'll keep doing some more. This is Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel, our group, and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.